Hi, I'm Dr. Mike DiTolla, and I'd like to invite you to attend the exocad Insights 2020 meeting on September 21st and 22nd, whether you attend online or on site in Darmstadt, Germany. I'm so excited to be traveling to Germany to give my presentation because I live here in the US and I haven't left my house since March 13th. I take that back. I did go out once to get the mail in mid-June, but I ran into my neighbor who's an anti-masker, an anti-vaxxer with a dash of flat earther mixed in. But honestly, he's a super spreader of conspiracy theories and Copenhagen dip. But now he's an actual super spreader. He's like a rainbird sprinkler of Mountain Dew and coronavirus aerosol. The aerosol from my ultrasonic scaler thinks my neighbor needs to dial it down a bit. But my biggest concern is whether or not Germany will let me into the country, since I'm coming from the US, the Northern Hemisphere's petri dish, and I get it, pandemics are not our strong suit. Movies, TV, 34 straight years with a new Air Jordan edition each and every year, that's our wheelhouse. Pandemics, public transportation, portion control, we'll get to those. But what you need to get to is the exocad Insights 2020 meeting, either online at exocad.com/insights or in person in Darmstadt. Either way, I'll see you there.